कल रात को मैं 2 बजे तक क्यों जा अरे हाँ मैं ऐसे बात कर डूड आई एम डाउन सो बैड Okay, hello and welcome to another episode of the Unengineered podcast. We are both sleepy because somehow we are on
We haven't
fire for
slept.
sleep. We did not work last night, so I don't
Neither
know
of us have
why.
slept properly.
I was up all night for some reason. But yeah, we have another episode for you finally after missing like a couple of weeks. We started a new app, and so we were busy doing that and this and that. We're registering the company, although I don't know whether I should have said that.
Yeah,
But
it's fine.
whatever,
I've
if the
already told
company,
my friends, so it's okay. Now you can't back down.
I know. It's in the process. I hope
Yeah.
it gets done before this video is out. But
Yeah.
we're
Same.
gonna talk about foldable phones because Samsung did a pretty good job at
Yeah,
making
man.
them.
Everybody's
And
praising them. All the articles are positive. Hopefully those are not paid,
exactly.
but at least at least Marquez's review will not be paid. I know that much, and he praised
Yeah,
it. So
and he did the first impression video and he
that's
liked
right.
it.
That's
And
right.
we're gonna talk about something personal, which is our new app. It's called Everything. It's still in the development
Yep.
phase, but for some reason we are talking about it because we need people who are
Correct.
into
We're
such kind
getting
of
the word out.
fashion.
Basically, we're getting the word out.
Yeah. So this entire podcast is an advertisement for us.
Speaking of advertisements, this podcast is sponsored by Unengineered Media, where we create films for brands and we help your brand get coverage. So, if you have a product, if you have a service that you want to advertise and want to run ads on social or on any platform, even YouTube, Facebook, just let us know and we'll create a film for you and we'll run the ads for you as well. You're welcome. It's very convenient. Just tell us what you want and we'll do it.
Yeah. We've done it for
So
so many
cool.
clients
Sounds
at this
great.
point.
Yeah,
And
you've done it for a bunch of clients, and you'll find the links on our Instagram and whatever. So you can go check our work out there.
yeah, and you can email us at our sales email if you need anything.
So yeah, we're gonna talk about foldable phones.
Yeah, okay. So we are 3 years too late to the conversation because this is the third iteration of Samsung's foldable phones. First one was trash, I must say. I mean, it did its job like as a concept tha vagera blah blah blah, but it had some major issues. The second one solved those issues, but it was very easy to break. The
Yeah,
third one, I can actually see people buying that. I mean,
yeah,
people who are really careful with their
correct.
phones. I can see them buying that.
Why careful? Are these delicate as well?
Yeah, every folding thing is going to be
Oh
delicate,
yeah,
that's
of
for
course.
sure.
Yeah, until a certain
If,
point, they're gonna be
huh.
delicate. That's true. That's true.
What is your opinion on foldable phones though?
Foldable phones are like cryptocurrency, right? Initially, there's gonna be a lot of them. A lot of companies are gonna make more or less the same concept, means the same thing. They're gonna add
Huh.
unnecessary features to it, and they're gonna throw it at the market with huge marketing and all of that. But eventually, the good phones will be left in the market, and the features which people really need, those features will be left in the phones that exist, and there will be actual utility which is specific to those folding phones in the long run. In the short run, it's gonna be a gimmick. It's gonna be a marketing, you know, thing
No,
which so
I think
a lot of companies kind of rushed to make a foldable phone, right? It happened pretty much the same time when Samsung did it, Motorola did it at the same time. There were some Chinese companies who did it at the same time. Vivo, I
Huawei
think.
did it.
Yeah. So that's what I mean, that it's like cryptocurrency. There was a bubble and a lot of people tried to do the same thing and they were like, oh, we are better. And the product in general was really bad. You couldn't use the first iteration of a folding phone. Now slowly the actual features are getting added, the phones are getting actual utility value, and they're more value for money, and they will last longer, and they'll serve proper purposes. And that's the same thing with crypto. The useful coins are gonna stay in the long run, and the ones which are not useful are gonna get obsolete.
Okay, so that was more of a in-depth perspective. What I meant by the
Yeah.
question was,
All.
do you see yourself using it? Because look, the
Hmm.
folding phone वाला thing कि तो
Hmm.
बाहर ये रहेगा, normal screen रहेगा, and to do anything useful, you open and get a bigger screen in a small form factor. Which the concept is really cool to me, and I can see
Insane. I
myself using.
really like the concept.
Huh. So, why? And now it has S Pen integration, which is cool. But there are problems with that S Pen. It's just that the thought matters. Okay, they
That's
are
right.
going in the right path.
That's right. That's right.
So I think it's a pretty good idea. It's something new. We finally there was a point where everything was converging. A phone meant a solid brick with a screen on the front and a camera on the back. Now it's gonna get spiced up again. People are
Yeah,
gonna do
I
the
agree.
rollable screens and this
Correct. Correct. Correct.
that.
Correct. That's right.
And it also has an under display camera, which is another cool thing. It's basically smartphones are getting cooler again. Okay,
Yeah.
everything's doing their own thing. They have personality, and
That's
I
right.
kind of like where
They're
this industry is
experimenting.
heading. Okay.
Companies experimenting with new form factors, basically. I feel.
Exactly. Have you ever seen a folding phone in person?
I saw, I think someone had the Fold 1 or the Fold 2, like an acquaintance. I saw it in their hand and that's pretty much it.
Oh, no. So I went to a Samsung store where I tried it out. It is so cool.
Yeah, that's better.
They should not let public people as I try it out because it was very delicate.
Yeah,
But
that's right. It's actually true. My God.
वो Fold 2 था,
I just
so
realized. So
it was still better.
better
But
than the one. Oh my God.
but it's pretty cool the way it folds and unfolds, and then yeah,
I feel
the apps can take
the entire screen.
हाँ नहीं वो तो ठीक है, but they can add extra functionality on the
Oh,
same
yeah.
thing. It's basically
100%.
you can do so much more in the same time because it takes to unfold.
That's
And basically the front screen is very small, okay,
Hmm.
compared
Yeah, it's
to
very
the
narrow.
biggest.
Obviously, it's like
Huh.
super patla.
So the thing is, you don't spend a lot of time doing dumb shit that you shouldn't be doing on phones. It's a digital well-being thing,
Damn.
though. Although I don't know how long they'll let that be because they'll make the front screen some as a crazy
100%.
expanding thing or jo bhi
Yeah.
hai. And then it will be ki
They'll
the phone which can
pimp
get
it out.
bigger.
They'll pimp out the front screen eventually.
And there was also this concept of a rollable display, right? अभी तक तो हम folding का ही बात कर रहे थे, but I think Vivo had this concept of a rollable display where you click a button and the phone comes out and the screen is actually a rollable display.
Yeah. Oh my God. Vivo is insane, dude.
I
They put
know
a lot of
these guys
money into
keep
R&D.
doing a lot of money. Basically, I think this foldable concept will mature properly when
Correct.
Apple does it their way. And
What? Apple is not doing
dude.
this, bro.
Oh, come on.
Apple
You
is
think
not
Apple
doing
is
this for a long while. I'm pretty sure.
So I know. They're not doing this for a long while, but when they do, you'll be like, ठीक है, अभी mature हो गया है.
Yeah, that's true. Because Apple
Because
is.
they only
Bol. You're raising the same
they
point.
only
I
come
feel.
out. They only come out with the product with
Best
the
of the
iPhone
best.
tag when the tech is really
Correct.
tested out well.
When it's ready. They don't do experiments. वो लोग experiments in-house करते हैं भाई.
In-house करते हैं, हाँ, exactly.
Consumers के साथ नहीं.
हाँ. The
But
first
that's
folding iPhone you see is the third one actually. It's just first two वो लोग दिखाया नहीं.
That's right, exactly. Oh my God. They won't do a Galaxy Fold 1. They won't roll that out to the public.
Exactly.
Because they gambled. They played a huge gamble with the first two editions. They knew that it was not going to sell. They knew that it was going to have problems, but they still put all that money and marketing into selling those phones just to probably hope कि जब हमारा proper वाला, which is the third variation hopefully, जब हमारा proper वाला पहला handset आएगा, then people will know the concept of a folding phone. They didn't want their, I don't know, it could be either way. They didn't want their first practical folding phone to be something that's completely new to the market. ऐसा ना हो जाए कि वो लोग बहुत सारा पैसा एक्चुअल वाले में डाल दे. ऐसा ना हो जाए कि वो लोग फ्लिप फोल्ड 3 में सारा पैसा डाल दे. People don't know what it is. They're unfamiliar with a folding phone. I think that's what they betted on. They were like, let's just
Actually,
थोड़ा सा glimpse दे देते हैं लोगों को कि क्या है.
And there are a lot of YouTubers who are using the folding phone as their daily driver, and it has worked out
That's right.
great for them.
That's right.
So, and okay, the thing we were all worried about, ki the glass will break, and that did happen. Starting with Fold 1, the entire disaster that did
That's
happen.
right.
But after
Yeah, it
that,
did.
I haven't seen a lot of cases of the glass breaking. Okay, there are people who have messed up the glass themselves, but these people who are handling the phone well, the YouTubers and everyone who are using that as a daily driver, they say they love it. And they have handled it pretty well. So it's not that hard to handle. Although गिर गया तो who knows क्या होगा.
I agree. It's like having an early generation iPhone. They were delicate as hell. Now maybe they're stronger and people are very careful to put covers on them.
हाँ.
But still,
Do you put cover on your phone?
I do, man. I
And
don't
a
like it.
tempered
I
glass.
hate putting a cover on my phone. It really like removes the charm of holding and seeing the phone. But money is more important, man. I don't wanna put money
But-
into.
हाँ, तो I don't use a cover or a tempered glass.
Hmm.
It's all completely naked.
Tempered glass. भाई बिना tempered
Tempered
glass.
glass भी नहीं.
Who uses? Oh my god! I ordered an extremely expensive tempered glass for my screen. Oh my god! From OnePlus themselves, मैं बोला भाई no risks. I'm not paying for the screen again.
हाँ, actually,
But yeah, I
had to pay
respect.
for the
I
screen one.
understand why people do it.
So okay, so I lost hope in tempered glasses because मैंने एक बार tempered glass लगाया था and I was fighting with my brother I think and वैसे पूरा rotate हुआ and वो phone pocket से उड़ के इस पे wall पे लग गया, ठीक है, जोर से ऐसा.
Holy hell.
And फिर it fell on a pillow. तो मेरे को लगा क्या हुआ था. I just took the phone and I kept it aside. फिर बाद में कॉल आया and screen ही on नहीं हो रहा है.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, हुआ क्या है? Because the tempered glass is completely fine. The glass underneath the tempered glass is fine. It's just जो सा pixel वाला ये रहता है ना part which actually glows and ये वो cracked था
Oh
पूरा.
my god. अंदर के
So
crack
it
हो
wouldn't
गए.
turn on. हाँ. तो I'm like, point क्या था tempered glass लगाने का if that's gonna happen? So I got the screen replaced and then I don't. तभी मैंने एक बार tempered glass लगाया था but pandemic में what happened was I kept my phone here and मैं कुछ ऊपर से निकाल रहा था and things fell down on it. तो वो tempered glass टूट गया. तो I removed the tempered glass and then मैं उसके क्योंकि तभी shops ही खुले नहीं थे. So I couldn't do anything.
Okay, fair enough.
तो मैं बिना
That's
tempered
right.
glass के यूज करता था and फिर cover का भी कुछ तो हो गया तो I was like बिना cover के यूज कर लेते हैं and it's fine ever since then.
Fair enough. I respect that. So iPhones are very delicate, and so are the folding phones. But if you use them properly, you won't have a problem at all. Like the current screens are super like durable for sure, as good as any other regular smartphone.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys think you have some useful comment for the
Yeah,
phone,
if you
phone
let us
Pro
know your
or
thoughts about the
let us know
Z
in the
Fold 3.
comments.
Do you think like tell us? Do you think you see yourself using it? I think personally, if I had the money, I'd probably get one, man. It looks very good.
So
And it's
I
not
think
like-
my next phone will be a normal phone, but next to next it's definitely gonna be a
Yeah,
folding phone.
definitely some kind of folding phone. I agree, man. Because you know what, the Z Flip, that one looks
Flip
way
one.
more enticing to me. I'm not going to lie.
Huh, but that seems very pointless to me. I don't know why. I don't want
It's
a
not
longer
for people
screen.
like us. That's right. We need more screen in real estate. The only reason I would take it is if I had a main device that I was doing all of my work on, and I just needed like another phone to like call and stuff. That's when I would buy the Flip 3
Oh,
because
हाँ, the flipping
oh
phone.
my
का.
god, it is so pretty, dude. It looks so good.
हाँ, it looks good.
I'm
Okay,
just-
हाँ, I'll give you that.
I'm just मैं flat हो गया भाई. बहुत अच्छा दिखता है यार. कुछ ही बोला यार.
Yeah, and it's not as a crazy thick like the Galaxy Fold,
Exactly,
right?
it is so small, babe.
Uh-huh.
How
And
can
okay,
you-
I love thin phones. Okay, so
Ah.
Apple has gone the other way. थोड़ू इसमें they've added more battery with the iPhone
Yeah,
12 and I think
Respectable.
11 maybe. They made it thicker,
yeah.
and I hate that.
Ayyo.
Dude, I am the audience that they cater to पहले. They're making thin phones. There is a crazy software stuff because my phone is very thin. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I know.
that's why I love it. And I held मेरा friend का iPhone 12 the other day. Like, why is it so thick?
It's very thick. Yeah.
Huh. And it doesn't have those rounded corners, right? So it doesn't even give you the illusion of it's thin.
Yeah.
It's-
Yeah.
It's going faster.
In
Although,
flat screen,
again,
full flat boy.
it looks, the flat screen looks beautiful. Like when people were complaining ki the OnePlus and the Samsungs were doing the curved screen wala thing, I'm like, it looks so good. How are you guys hating it? And then some company did the flat screen wala thing. I'm like, no, I can never watch a flat screen wala phone ever again. But then the iPhone did it pretty well where they extended the skin to the edges, which looks
Yeah.
good. So
Dude,
they don't have any bezel, I think, with the.
Yeah, little to no bezel. Yes,
And
that's
they-
eSIM. eSIM क्या होता है?
So eSIM matlab you get a QR code and you just scan it and वो connect हो जाता है.
Excuse me?
I have no clue why they haven't done that before, because there is absolutely no point putting a SIM card in your phone. Like abhi to pehle I could understand to store phone numbers and stuff. Abhi there is absolutely zero reason that we have to do that entire SIM card.
I
wala
think
thing.
we're gonna completely transition to eSIM sometime.
It should have happened long time ago. Sometimes
Long
they
ago,
should.
that's right.
So
That's true.
I still have no clue why they do that, because the entire tower के साथ communication is done by the phone only. The SIM only provides
itself.
you a specific ID and yes.
Address or something,
Huh.
yeah.
The entire
That's
the
right.
full form subscriber identification module, it does that identification.
Just
of
identifies, that's
हाँ,
right.
It's very stupid. So okay.
Speaking of SIMs, bro, मेरे को पता ही नहीं था मेरा फोन डुअल सिम मालूम है क्या?
What?
I didn't know my phone was dual SIM because so जो ट्रे है ना उसमें एक वो it's the size of one SIM only,
Okay.
but it's one SIM on one side and you turn it and then there's a slot for on the other side
हाँ.
and it's so thin. I was like ठीक है इसमें तो एक ही SIM आता हो. मैंने घुमा के देखा ही नहीं कभी
So,
उसको.
but do you have two
बोला-
SIM cards?
Yeah, I have two SIM cards, yeah,
Oh.
but I don't use the other one because I told you it gives me banner ads, so I'm trying to figure that out.
Oh अच्छा, V का SIM card लिया था ना तू? Very stupid dude.
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
मैंने लिया और लाके दिया रे फ्री का. मैं बोला तो कितनी मैं क्यों
Oh,
दूंगा वी का
हाँ.
SIM कार्ड फ्री में लाके फेंक. जिसमें
But you
धंधा
do
नहीं चल रहा है,
realize
तो
nothing
SIM
is
कर
free
रहा
वो banner ads के बाद.
हूँ. वही लोग का धंधा नहीं चल रहा. इतना घाटे में जा रहा है वी. माय गॉड, थैंक गॉड मैं मतलब स्टॉप ऑफ ले लिया उसका. इतना घाटे में जा रहा है.
Anyway, talking about stocks and companies and debt, let's move on to our next topic, which is our new app, Everything. So basically, it's an app. It's an e-commerce app for fashion and clothes, but the trick up our sleeve is it's only for sustainable brands. And
Yes.
so this conversation is going to a bit of fast fashion and yes, I don't want to go into the depths of that. I want to go into the depths of what sustainable fashion is.
If you want to go into the depths of fast fashion, you can check out our Instagram page. It's everything. Linked in description.
It's at Everything app. The I is missing, by the way, and I have no clue why. I know why I did that. It's just a
stylized,
बहुत
just
दूर-
style purposes. No,
Yeah.
no utility.
So we are developing the app. Actually, you know what? We can make this a hiring call because ये तब तक आएगा जब तक company register हो जाएगा. We
Yes.
are gonna need new people. So we need new Flutter developers, we need new React developers, and we need new backend developers. Backend mein you have to learn Node.js and JavaScript and Docker.
Usual stuff.
And we don't mind teaching you this. You just have to know the basics basically. So
That's right.
there you go. You get your clickbait phrases. That we are hiring again.
Finally, I can put hiring in it. Let's go. We'll get traction होगा भाई.
Oh god, no. And so basically, the app is in the alpha stage. We are using the Scrum pattern where we do a code sprint for 2 weeks, and it's been we are at the third alpha now. So last week baki wa alpha ka. The progress
Yeah.
has been so good on this app. Like I'm finally.
It's been damn good. It's been damn good. I swear. It's probably better than any of our projects so far.
Yeah,
At
exactly.
least development side se.
Because every 2 weeks we have this meeting where we all meet and we show these guys the app. Company mein there are only 4 or 5 people working on the app, but all 13 of them get to see the app at the end of 2 weeks, and they give their feedback कि ये होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. And that feedback has been so much more valuable because when you're in the development phase, now you get into your echo chamber. Ki everyone is thinking the same way. And so now we
That's
are
right,
finally having people who think differently than the entire development team. So that way we get more
Yes.
insight into it. And yeah, the development team is doing very well, Philal though.
Fantastic. Good job.
Good job.
I'm really proud of the development team.
So sustainable fashion, the entire concept, there's some principles to it where you have to recycle you have to use certain material that is recyclable, no chemical
That's right.
dyes, natural colors and stuff like that. But there is one more which I resonate with well, is paying the workers well.
Hell yeah. I thought you'd forgotten that
नहीं,
part.
नहीं,
I was like, भाई मैं बोल देता.
हाँ.
No, that's good.
Because
Basically, क्या बोलते हैं? What's the one word for it? Fair labor, is it?
I don't know the exact word, but
Because-
I know the concept.
Because Because fair labor encapsulates ki you are not making children work, there's no child labor, as well as there's no exploitation of workers and underpayment.
Did you see
Basically,
that
that's one
video?
word.
Or in I think Bangladesh, where the entire building collapsed on the workers.
Oh my
That
goodness,
was
I haven't
so
seen it.
bad to
No,
watch. Oh,
holy
I
hell,
don't know
what the
why I
hell?
watched it.
Were they building the building?
नहीं, so there were workers inside the building working, making textile या जो भी. I think H&M या कोई
Oh
तो
my
brand
god.
के लिए.
टेक्सटाइल ही होगा, तो बांग्लादेश में बहुत होता है.
हाँ, and the building was in a very bad condition and it collapsed लोगों पे.
Oh my god.
It does not make any sense because these companies have such high margins that they wouldn't pay these people.
Dude, it blows my mind, dude. But I think the companies definitely have a responsibility. The other governing body which has a responsibility are governments and the agency which hires these people, right? So Bangladesh, mein, there's an agency which gets in touch with, say, a textile company in the US, and they're like, you outsource your work to us.
Huh.
It's the responsibility of that company as well. So there's 2 or 3 people who need to be held responsible in this game, basically.
Yeah, exactly. And it's just very sad to see that we will exploit workers this way. And there's this other company that I use. I don't want to name that, but
That's right.
with the
That's right.
delivery agents or stuff. Like recently, that has come up a lot. Ki paying these delivery workers. It's okay. I think they found a loophole in the system where you don't have to pay fair wage if you call them partners and stuff like that. So they are not as an official employees.
Dude, this is going into some local problems
Local
here
problems
that
also. Huh?
delivery executives are having. Food delivery executives to be more specific. But yeah, they are also falling under the overworked, underpaid category.
Yeah, it's just because there are so much of them. These companies can just discard one and get a new one instantly. So they are
That's
not
right,
even
that's
treating them as humans, they're just treating them as, I don't know.
Variables, numbers,
Exactly. So for them, it's just a
dispensables.
number on a screen. It's not
That's right.
Rakesh or this or that. It's number 32, it's number 45. Okay, agent number 45 has left or
Man, sad
something.
as hell.
Basically, we want to create a marketplace and do the marketing and ये सब of sustainable fashion and how it's helpful for the world. We still haven't figured out the economics or stuff of it.
Yeah.
It is still a
Very
lot
early
happening.
stage. We're still working on the product. We'll figure out the product, then we'll move on to
So if
strategies that we've thought of.
if you do believe in this cause and if you want to join a great team and work on this great app, and it might get pretty big pretty soon because we have set up revenue models that will help us get started with revenue in a month or so. Like we won't have to set up the logistics ourselves. We'll partner with other brands and stuff like that. So if you like working and if you want to do this, I guess so.
It'll be a
us
good
up.
addition to your skill set. Yeah,
And you don't
it's a
have to
proper
be a
real world
coder. We
application.
need people who analyze businesses. We need people who can build a customer and our relationship, I guess, customer relationship.
That's
And
right.
customers
Yeah.
basically
So-
the stores, not actual customers who will buy. So I think partners, basically store our partners. So building this relationship.
And we'll pay them properly, don't worry.
Yeah, they get they pay us actually.
Yeah, that's true. So our entire idea behind this app is to get already existing brands who are selling, sustainable clothes. It's a very distributed market as of now. Sustainable fashion, right? There's a lot of Instagram pages, and it's difficult to discover each one of them. You have to scan them. We want to make that process a little easier for
Exactly.
the end consumer as well as and the businesses who are selling. So that's what we want to do with this marketplace. You can just come here, you can scroll through like stores and the offerings that they have, and you can just buy from the app itself. Delivery वगैरह सब हो जाता है. So if you are a business who wants a platform to sell your sustainable products with other sustainable brands who are selling sustainable products.
Yeah, not a
you
great
can
pitch,
hit us
man.
up.
Not a great pitch.
Arey, man. If you want more discoverability for your sustainable brand, you can
Hit
get
us
in
up.
touch.
Yeah.
You can definitely get in touch. You can work something out. And if you like buying sustainable products, which I'm proud of you if you do that, I'm really proud of you. Please do that. You can also hit us up, and we can probably rope you in for a beta test later on.
Sure, he did announce that without even asking me. But okay, yeah.
अरे तो होगा ना भाई, बीटा टेस्ट होता है भाई, बिना बीटा टेस्ट कैसे रिलीज करेगा भाई ये सब क्या है?
Then so you take people, you specifically choose people. You don't ask people कि join करना है क्या beta test के लिए.
I said may, okay, I'm not guaranteeing anybody.
So that's why
It's
there are two
unanimous.
betas. There are public beta and there are
It's
private
unanimous.
beta.
Yeah, there's public and private. That's right.
So basically there are a lot of new things that are happening in your company में. If you think that you fit in right, or if you think that we might need you, just hit us up. We are hiring all the time. And
All the time, pretty much.
हाँ,
Yeah.
we hire more than we make
Typical.
podcasts.
Typical startup. Yeah, typical startup things. Hire all the time.
So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up our episode this week.
Yes.
It's
it
a
does,
pretty
it
short
does, it does.
episode because I know we don't have time, and I guess you don't have time either. So
We prefer to keep our episodes as short as possible for everybody's convenience. If you found this episode valuable, please like it. Please share it with your friends if they would love the information and if it's relevant to them. And subscribe only if you watch our videos regularly. Okay, because if you subscribe and you don't click on our notifications, it hurts the algorithm. Alright, so only if you like our content, only if you're gonna regularly watch it. At least you're gonna click on the notification that you get on your feed, then only subscribe. Okay? And you can find us on Instagram at the Unengineered Podcast, the Unengineered App Studio, Unengineered Media, as well as Advait, Atik, Vedas, all the people who are behind
And
it.
Abhi,
You can find us
everything
all
else.
links in the description. Yes, there's everything app as well. We have 4 pages now. Oh my God.
Wow. Also, we launched a new
Holy
website.
hell.
I don't think we did a podcast when we launched a new website. It's
Oh
a
my
very
God,
simple
yeah.
version of the
Again,
website.
Link in description. But it's definitely better than what we had before. We have
Yeah.
bigger plans for it, but we'll get to them soon. Link in description. Go check them out. You can listen to the audio version of this podcast on all platforms. It's getting uploaded on time this time. Don't worry.
अच्छा last one upload नहीं हुआ था क्या? See, that's how bad the podcast situation is. I don't even know last
होता
one
है
upload
होता
हुआ
है
था कि-
अरे होता है, इनकंसिस्टेंटली अपलोड होता है वे, वही बोल
अच्छा,
रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
अभी टाइम पे होगा. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the episode because we enjoyed filming it as always, and we'll be back next week with hopefully another guest. We have some very exciting guests coming up.
Yeah, so
And
we
नहीं,
have like
बोल मत.
3 people in our list that we want to get, and we are in conversation
Yeah.
with them. But next
Yeah.
3 episodes should be pretty cool if we manage to land them on our podcast.
that's right. And we'll see you next week with another episode of the Unengineered podcast. And until then, don't forget to get unengineered.
Okay.
See
So
you.
bye.